Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarsi from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Ratio and Proportion Part 3. Friends, in the previous session of this Ratio and Proportion Part 2, we have been discussed on the comparison of ratios by LCM method and comparison of ratios by cross multiplication method and problems from the practice set 4.2. Today we will discuss with the following subtopics, that is operation on ratios, invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo and componendo-dividendo, and problems from the practice set 4.3. So let us start with the operation on ratios. Friends, the operation on ratios. Using the properties of equality, we can perform some operations on ratios. Some useful properties of ratios and proportion are invertendo property, alternando property, componendo property, dividendo property and componendo-dividendo property. These properties are explained below with the examples. Invertendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can write B upon A is equal to D upon C. Friends, we have A upon B is equal to C upon D. We cross multiply. Therefore, A into D is equal to B into C. Therefore, B into C is equal to A into D, you can write. So, dividing both sides by A into C, we will get that B into C upon A into C is equal to A into D upon A into C. C get cancels, what left is B upon A. And here also A get cancels, what left is D upon C. Therefore, we can write that if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we will get B upon A is equal to D upon C. This property is called as invertendo. Second property is the alternando. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can write A upon C is equal to B upon D. Friends, here A upon B is equal to C upon D, so we can write A into D is equal to B into C, cross multiplication. Now we will divide both sides by C into D. Therefore, we will get A into D upon C into D is equal to B into C upon C into D. So, in the first LHS, we will get D get cancels, what left is A upon C. And on the right hand side, C get cancels, what left is B upon D. Therefore, we can write that if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can write A upon C is equal to B upon D. This property is called as alternando. Third one, componendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can write A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. Friends, we have A upon B is equal to C upon D. We will add 1 to the both side. So what will happen? A upon B plus 1 is equal to C upon D plus 1. So the LCM on the left hand side is B. So we can write A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. So if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we will get A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. This property is called as componendo property. Number 4, dividendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can write A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. Friends, it is given that A upon B is equal to C upon D. Now subtracting 1 from both sides, we will get A upon B minus 1 is equal to C upon D minus 1. So on the left hand side, the LCM is B. So A minus B upon B. Similarly on the right hand side, C minus D upon D. Therefore, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we will get A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. This property is called as dividendo. Now, property number 5, that is componendo-dividendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we will get that A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D, where A is not equal to B as well as C is not equal to D. Friends, we know that A upon B is equal to C upon D. So, using componendo, we will get A minus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. Similarly, by using dividendo, we will get A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. Now, from 1 and 2, we will take the division of these two. So, what will happen? A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. 1 divided by 2. So, we will get that A upon B is equal to C upon D. Then we are getting A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. And this property is called as componendo and dividendo. So, these are the 5 properties. Now, by using this property we will solve different problems. You should remember these all 4 properties, that is invertendo, componendo, alternando, dividendo and that of Componendo-Dividendo. Now we'll start with practice set 4.3. Problem number 1. If a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, then find the values of the following ratios. First is 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. Third is a square minus b square upon b square. Next, fourth is 7a plus 9b, 7a minus 9b. Friends, we'll start with the first. That a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, it is given. So we'll multiply both sides by 5 upon 3. So what you are getting is a upon b into 5 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. So I'll get 5 into a, 5a, b into 3, 3b, 7 into 5, 35, 3 into 3, 9. So 5a upon 3b is equal to 35 upon 9. By using componendo and dividendo to this step, we'll get 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b is equal to 35 plus 9, 35 minus 9. So 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b is equal to, the addition of 35 plus 9 is 44 and 35 minus 9 is 26. We simplify this one. 2 into 22 upon 2 into 13, 2 to get cancelled, what left is 22 upon 13. So you are getting the result 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b is equal to 22 as to 13. Friends, we have been multiplied by 5 by 3 since in order to find the value of this 5a plus 3b, the coordinate of 5 is a is 5 and b is 3. Therefore, we have multiplied by 5 upon 3. Next, it is given that a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. We will square first on both sides. So a upon b square, 7 upon 3 square, you will get a square upon b square is equal to 49 upon 9. We will multiply 2 by 3 on both sides. You will be getting 2a square upon 3b square is equal to 98 upon 27. 49 into 2 is 98 and 9 into 3 is 27. We will now use Componendo-Dividendo. That is 2a square plus 3b square on this left hand side. 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 98 plus 27, 98 minus 27. So on the right hand side, 98 plus 27, that is 125. 98 minus 27, that is 71. So the ratio that you are getting is 125 as to 71. Friends, it is given that a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3 given. We will taking cube on both sides. A upon b bracket is to cube is equal to 7 upon 3 bracket is to cube. So a cube upon b cube is equal to 342 upon 27. The cube of 7 is 343 and cube of 3 is 27. Now we will use a dividendo. A cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to 343 minus 27 upon 27. So subtraction at the numerator is 316 and at the denominator it is 27. So the ratio you are getting a cube minus b cube upon b cube is 316 as to 27. Now number 4. A upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, it is given. So multiply both sides by 7 upon 9. So we'll get 7a upon 9b is equal to 49 upon 27. By using Componendo-Dividendo, 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b, 49 plus 27, 49 minus 27. So at the numerator you are getting 76, at the denominator 22. So 76 can be written as 2 into 38 and 22 2 into 11, 2 get cancelled, so you are getting 38 upon 11. So the ratio 7a plus 9b divided by 7a minus 9b is equal to 38 as to 11. Problem number 2. If 15a square plus 4b square divided by 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7, then find the values of all these. First a upon b, 7a minus 3b, 7a plus 3b. This b square minus 2a square, b square plus 2a square. Again b square minus 2a square, b square plus 2a square. So let us continue. Number 1. 15a square plus 4b square divided by 15a square minus 4b square, 47 upon 7. Now we will use Componendo and Dividendo. So 15a square plus 4b square plus into bracket 15a square minus 4b square divided by 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square will equal to 47 plus 7, 47 minus 7. So after solving this one, we will be getting 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square, 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square plus 4b square. 47 plus 7, 54 and 47 minus 7 is 40. Here minus 4b plus 4b get cancelled and at the denominator 15 square and minus 15 square, those get cancelled. So at the numerator you are getting 15 plus 15 30 a square, and at the denominator 4b square 8b square upon 54 upon 40. So a square upon b square is 54 upon 40 into 8 upon 10. After simplification to this, you will getting a square upon b square is equal to 9 upon 25. Taking square root on both sides, getting a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. That is a upon b you are getting as a 3:5. Second, we will see that a upon b is 3/5 given. So multiply both sides by 7 upon 3. A upon b into 7 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 3. So 7a upon 3b is 7 upon 5. 3 get cancels. So 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is 7 plus 5, 7 minus 5. So 7a plus 3b upon 7 minus 5, that is 7 plus 5 is 12 and 7 minus 5 is 2. After simplification to the right hand side, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 upon 1 you are getting. We expect that 7a minus 3. By using invertendo to this type, we will getting 7a minus 3b divided by 7a plus 3b 1 upon 6. So we are getting ratio as 1:6. Third, a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5 it is given. So square on both sides. A upon b bracket to square is equal to 3 upon b bracket to square. That is a square upon b square is equal to 9 upon 25. By invertendo, b square upon a square is equal to 25 upon 9. Multiply both sides by half. So we will be getting b square upon a square into half is 25 upon 9 into half. So it will be b square upon 2a square is equal to 25 upon 18. Now b square plus 2a square, b square minus 2a square is 25 plus 18, 25 minus 18 by componendo and dividendo. To the right hand side it will be 25 plus 18, 43 upon 7. So b square minus 2a square divided by b square plus 2a square is 7 upon 43 by invertendo. So the ratio what you are getting is 7:43. Next we will see for a upon b is 3 upon 5 it is given. So cubing on both sides, what we will getting is a upon b bracket to cube is equal to 3 upon bracket to cube. So a cube upon b cube is equal to 27 upon 125. By invertendo, b cube upon a cube is equal to 125 upon 27. Multiplying both sides by half, you are getting b square upon a square is equal to half is equal to 125 divided by 27 into half. So it will be b cube upon 2a cube is equal to 125 upon 54. By using componendo-Dividendo, b cube plus 2a cube, b cube minus 2a cube is equal to 125 plus 54, 125 minus 54. So friends, here we will be getting that b cube plus 2a cube, b cube minus 2a cube is 179 upon 71. Again we use invertendo. So b cube minus 2a cube, b cube plus 2a cube is 71 upon 179. Means you are getting a ratio as 71:179. Problem 3. If 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 5, then we have to find out the value of 3a square minus 7b square, 3a square plus 7b square. Friends, first of all, we will given thing, right? 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is 4 upon 3. We will use componendo-Dividendo. 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b, 3a plus 7b minus of into bracket 3a minus 7b, bracket complete is equal to 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3. So friends, here next step what we are getting is 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b. 3a plus 7b minus 3a plus 7b is equal to 7 upon 1. Here minus 7b plus 7b get cancelled, so you are getting 6a, and 3a get cancels, you are getting 14b is equal to 7 upon 1. Therefore a upon b is equal to 7 into 14 upon 6. That is a upon b is equal to getting 49 upon 3. So friends, squaring both sides, a upon bracket square is equal to 49 upon 3 square. So a square upon b square is equal to 2401 upon 9. So a square upon b square is equal to into 3 upon 7 and 2401 upon 9 into 3 upon 7. We are multiplying here both sides by 3 upon 7. So here we will getting a 3a square upon 7b square is equal to 343 upon 3. Using componendo-Dividendo to this step, 3a square plus 7b square, 3a square minus 1b square is equal to 343 plus 3 divided by 343 minus 3. So friends, to the right hand side we will getting 346 upon 340. Therefore 3a square plus 7b square, 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 2 into 173 divided by 2 into 170. 2 get cancels. What result you are getting is 173 upon 170. Now we will use invertendo. So it will be 3a square minus 7b square divided by 3a square plus 7b square is equal to 170 upon 173. So the requisite ratio we are getting is 170:173. Problem number 4. Solve the following equations. x square plus 12x minus 20 divided by 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 2x plus 3. Second is 10x square plus 15x minus 63 divided by 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Third is 2x plus 1 bracket is to square plus 2x minus 1 bracket is to square divided by 2x plus 1 bracket is to square minus 2x minus 1 bracket is to square is equal to 17 upon 8. Under root 4x plus 1 plus under root x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 1 minus under root x plus 3 is equal to 4 upon 1. Fifth one, 4x plus 1 bracket is to square plus 2x plus 3 bracket is to square divided by 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 61 upon 36. Last one, into bracket 3x minus 4 bracket is to cube is equal to minus x plus 1 bracket is to cube is equal to 3x minus 4 bracket is to plus x plus 1 bracket is to cube is equal to 61 upon 189. We have to attempt all these. In short, we are going to find out the value of x or the variable whatever it may be. Friends, here first we will consider x cube x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 divided by 2x plus 3. It is given. Multiply both sides by 1 upon 4. What you are getting, x square plus 12x minus 20, 4 into bracket 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 divided by 4 into bracket 2x plus 3. Now we will solve the denominator. So x square plus 12x minus 20, 4 3s are 12x minus 20 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 as it is. Again here solve the bracket, 4 into 2 that is 8x plus 12. Friends, now we will use dividendo. X square plus 12x minus 20 minus of 12x minus 20. So 12x minus 20 at the denominator. We apply the same to the right hand side. X square minus 8x plus 12 minus into bracket 8x plus 12 bracket complete 8x plus 12. Now we'll solve this bracket. X square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x plus 20 upon 12x minus 20, which will be equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x minus 12 8x plus 20. So add the numerator to the left hand side and right hand side get cancelled and you are getting the result as x square 12x minus 20 x square and 8x plus 20. This equation is true for x is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 is one of the solution of this. If x is not equal to 0, then x square is also not equal to 0. Therefore 1 upon x square get cancelled from both sides. So we are getting 1 upon 12x minus 20 is equal to 1 upon 18x minus 12. Dividing both side by x square, we will getting this result. So here it can be written as by cross multiplication. 8x plus 12 is equal to 12x minus 20. 12 plus 20 is equal to 12x minus 8x. So 32 is equal to 4x, x is equal to 32 upon 4, therefore x is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 8 are the solutions of the given equation. Let's see second one. 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 5. It is given. If x is equal to 0, then what will happen? We'll consider the left hand side. 10x square plus 15x plus 63 divided by 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 10 0 square plus 15 into 0 minus 63. So the result you are getting is, again putting the value 5 into 0 square minus 25 into 0 plus 12, 63 upon 12, which will be 21 upon 4. And the right hand side, 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5, 2 into 0 plus 3 divided by minus 5, that is 3 minus 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 you are getting minus. Therefore 21 upon 4 and this minus 3 upon 5 is not equal. It contradicts. Therefore x is equal to 0, not 0. Now we'll consider as 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 5. Therefore 10x square plus 15x minus 63 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5. We have used Alternsndo property. Multiply both sides by 5x. What you are getting is 10x square plus 15x minus 63 5x into bracket 2x plus 3, which will be 5x square minus 25x plus 12 divided by 5x into bracket x minus 5. Here at the denominator we have to multiply with 5x square and we are getting 10x square plus 15x, and on the right hand side 5x square minus 25x. The numerator is as it is. Now we will use the dividendo. Numerator 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square plus 15x, 10x square plus 15x, which will be equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 5x square minus 25x divided by 5x square minus 25x. We will solve this bracket and we will be getting 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square minus 15x, 10x square plus 15x. On the right hand side, 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 3x square plus 25x, 3x square minus 25x. Friends, here all get cancels, and what left is 63 divided by 10x square plus 15x, and on the right hand side 12 upon 5 x square minus 25x. So 63, 5x is common, here left is 2x plus 3, and here 12, 5x is common, x minus 3, 5x get cancelled, or you may multiply by 5x upon 3 on both sides. You will be getting 21 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 4 upon x minus 3, cross multiply, 21 into bracket x minus 5 is equal to 4 into bracket 2x plus 3. So 21x minus 105 is equal to 8x plus 12. Solving this bracket. So 21x minus 8x is equal to 12 plus 105. So 13x is equal to 117. X is equal to 117 upon 13. So x is equal to 9. Therefore, we will get that x is equal to 9 is the solution of the given equation. Now third. 2x plus 1 bracket is to square plus 2x minus 1 bracket to square divided by 2x plus 1 bracket to square minus 2x minus 1 bracket to square is equal to 17 upon 8. Now we'll use componendo and dividendo. To the right hand side, those two brackets as it is plus the denominator brackets divided by upper bracket as it is minus denominator bracket is equal to 17 plus 8, 17 minus 8. Now this bracket will solve. So 2x plus 1 bracket to square plus 2x minus 1 bracket to square plus 2x plus 1 bracket to square minus 2x plus 1 bracket to square. Similarly, at the denominator, the signs will change these two. So it will become minus, it will plus. So it is 17 plus 8, 25 upon 9. At the numerator, this 2x minus 1 get cancelled, both the opposite sign, and at the denominator 2x plus 1, these have the opposite sign, they will get cancelled. So two brackets will become twice into bracket 2x plus 1 bracket to square. At the denominator, 2 into bracket 2x minus 1 bracket to square is equal to 25 upon 9. So we'll take the square root on both sides. What will happen? 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 5 upon 3. Therefore 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3, or 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 5 upon 3. We solve this. 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 into 2x minus 1. 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 5 into 2x minus 1. Therefore 6x plus 3 is equal to 10x minus 5, or 6x plus 3 is equal to minus 10x plus 5. So friends, here we will get 3 plus 5 is equal to 10x minus 6x, or 6x plus 10x is equal to 5 minus 3. Therefore 8 is equal to 4x, or 16x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to, or x is equal to 2 upon 16. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 upon 8 is the solution of the given equation. Now problem number 4. Root of 4x plus 1 plus under root x plus 3 divided by under root 4x plus 1 minus root of x plus 3 is equal to 4 upon 1 given. Now use componendo-Dividendo. The numerator as it is plus denominator added, numerator as it is minus denominator subtracted, is equal to on the right hand 4 plus 1, 4 minus 1. Here we'll solve the bracket. So we are getting here the same signs as it is. At the denominator the signs will change. Of this root of 4x plus 1 it will become minus, and here root of x plus 3 it will become plus. So at the numerator under root x plus 3 which have opposite sign get cancelled, and at the denominator 4x plus 1 under root 4x plus 1 these get cancelled. So you will be getting as 2 times under root 4x plus 1, 2 times under root x plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 3. 2 get cancels. We'll square on both sides. What will get? 4x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 25 upon 9. Now cross multiply. 9 into bracket 4x plus 1 is equal to 25 into bracket x plus 3. Therefore 36x plus 9 is equal to 25x plus 75. Therefore 36x minus 25 is equal to 75 minus 9. Therefore 11x is equal to 66, x is equal to 66 upon 11. Therefore x is equal to 6 is the solution of the given equation. Now next problem number 5. 4x plus 1 brackets to cube plus 2x minus plus 1 brackets to cube is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 61 upon 36. It is given. So friends, now here we'll add that 4x plus 1 brackets to square plus 2x plus 1 3 brackets to square will be 2x raised to square plus 2 into 2x plus 3 into 3 square is equal to 61 upon 36. Means denominator, it is a 2x plus 3 bracket raised to cube. 61 upon 36 as it is. So now we use a dividendo. The numerator is written as minus the denominator as it is. So 61 minus 36 upon 36. So here minus 2x plus 3 it will get cancels at the numerator. You are getting 2x plus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3 bracket square, that is 25 upon 36. Taking square root on both sides, we are getting 4x plus 3 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 5 upon 6. Therefore 4x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3, 5 upon 6, or 4x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is minus 5 upon 6. We'll cross multiply. 6 into bracket 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 into bracket 2x plus 3, or 6 into bracket 4x plus 1 is equal to minus 5 into bracket 2x plus 3. We solve the bracket. 24x plus 6 is equal to 10x plus 15, or 24x minus 6 is equal to minus 10x minus 15. So 24x minus 10x is equal to 15 minus 6, or 24x plus 10x is equal to minus 15 minus 6. Therefore 14x is equal to 9, or 34x is equal to minus 21. Therefore x is equal to 9 upon 14, or x is equal to minus 21 upon 34. So the solution of the given equation will be x is equal to 9 upon 14, or x is equal to minus 21 upon 34. Now see the next problem, that is 3x minus 4 bracket is to cube minus x plus 1 bracket is to cube divided by 3x minus 4 bracket is to cube plus x plus 1 bracket is to cube is 61 upon 189. We'll use Invertendo. So the numerator goes at the denominator and denominator goes at the numerator. Now we'll use Componendo-Dividendo. The numerator written as it is plus denominator added. Numerator as it is minus denominator is equal to 189 plus 61 divided by 189 means 61. So friend, now solve the bracket. At the numerator you could see, after solving this bracket, you are getting x plus 1 bracket is to cube as a negative signs, and at the denominator you will getting 3x minus 4 bracket is to cube, and these have opposite sign, they will get cancelled. So here it will be the addition 250 upon 128. Friends, after solving the numerators, you are getting 2 times 3x minus 4 bracket to square, and at the denominator 2 into bracket x plus 1 bracket to square is equal to 2 into 125, 2 into 64, 2 to get cancels, and what you are getting is 3x minus 4 bracket to cube is equal to divided by x plus 1 bracket to cube is equal to 125 upon 64. Taking cube root on both sides, you are getting 3x minus 4 upon x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 4. Cross multiply. 4 into bracket 3x minus 4 is equal to 5 into bracket x plus 1. Solve the bracket. 12x minus 16 is equal to 5x plus 5. Therefore 12x minus 5x is equal to 5 plus 16. Therefore 7x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore x is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Friends, what we have been discussed today. In this session, we have discussed on the following subtopics, that is operations on the ratios and Invertendo, Alternsndo, Componendo-Dividendo and Componendo-Dividendo property and problems based on them. That is especially problems from the practice set 4.3. Friend, will you try these problems? Number 1, if x of now is equal to 4 upon 3, then find the value of the ratio 4x minus y, 4x plus y. If 5x is equal to 4y, then find the value of the 3x square plus y square, 3x square minus y square. Solve the equation 3x square plus 5x plus 7 divided 10x plus 14 is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 3 upon 8x plus 6. Solve under root of x plus 7 plus under root x minus 2 divided by under root x plus 7 minus under root x minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 4. If a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, then find the value of a plus 2b, a minus 2b. If a upon 3 is equal to b upon 2, then find the value of 5a plus 3b, 7a minus 2b. So friends, I think you will attempt this practice. You should not forget the famous words of Brahmagupta. He says, as the sun eclipses the stars by this brilliancy, so the man of knowledge will eclipse the brain of others in assemblance of the people if he proposes algebra problems, and still more if he solves them. These words. Thank you.